Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing an unboxing of a new bag that I bought. And this one's actually really special because Chanel doesn't even make this anymore. So if you think that you will be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. We're going to start off by unboxing. I did get this from Fashion File. This is actually my first time purchasing from Fashion File. So I was a little bit nervous because, you know, I kind of hear like good things, but also hear bad things. I was just nervous. It's actually really my first time buying like pre-loved. Well, I know I'm lying. I got my Louis Vuitton shit from, it was pre-loved. So yeah, my second pre-loved item. But yeah, I think it's cute how they do this though. And it does come with like a calendar. Oh, this is for 2023. Oh, cool. I can use this for next year. So this is just a little cute little calendar, and it just has like different bags and stuff on it. Okay, cool. For some reason, I don't know why I was like, oh, it's probably for 2022. I was like, oh, I'm not even gonna use it because it's December. And then they give you like a little file, like a finger, you know, to file your nail, the nail filer. And then it just says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet, and I sure do. Okay, and then so some of them, and I'm gonna put like on the side like the, you know, the cute little TikTok unboxing that I did, but some of them do come with the dust bag, but unfortunately this bag didn't come with the dust bag. But yeah, so I just have the Fashion File one, and here it is. So this is a mini rectangular in Caviar leather. So this is my first Caviar item. And yeah, oh my God, I love this color. So on camera, it looks red, and like even on the website, it looked red, but it was labeled as dark pink. So I was like, oh, maybe it's like a really, really dark pink type of color. And it almost looked like a coral color. Like, it's kind of like an orangish red. Like, I really don't really see pink in it. I see more like a coral color or like a dark coral. In certain lightings, it looked really red though. But yeah, I actually wanted a red bag. I was looking at this website, looking at Fashion File for a long time. And I was gonna get this, so actually between two bags, this bag and then an extra mini bag, and it was red. It was like the Ladybug edition, but I was gonna take the charms off and just have like a red extra mini because I really, really wanted a red bag. For some reason, I was like, I really need a red bag. And I saw this like months ago. Well, like maybe like a month ago, I actually saw this bag and I just didn't get it. I was like, oh, I don't know. Like, I was just kind of nervous to shop on Fashion File. So it ended up getting sold. And then I looked again. I was like, you know what? Like, I'm just gonna try to order it. So I was gonna do the extra mini. It was lambskin. And it was the extra mini, but I just saw that the extra mini was just so small. A lot of people compared it to the Gucci Marmont, and when I would look at the dimensions, it was actually smaller than the Gucci Marmont, and I was like, oh my God, like I don't want to pay that much for a bag that small, because I think it was like maybe like 2,300 or 2,200, and I was just like, I just didn't really feel like it was worth it because it was so small. I really wouldn't be able to fit anything. And I love small bags, but like, you know, to pay that much for a bag that you can't even fit your phone in, I just was like, eh. So then I saw this bag and I was like, yeah, I'm doing it. I'm buying it. Like, I don't care. So yeah, it does have the Mona Lisa little pocket in the bag. Oh my God, I love it. I think it's so cute. I love the color. I'm not gonna lie, when I first got it, like, for a long time, like, I wanted a Caviar bag. Like, actually, when I got my mini lambskin, I didn't want to get lambskin. Like, I was like, oh, I really wish that I would get Caviar because, you know, Caviar is more durable. You can't really see anything. Like, it's just better to wear, and, like, the wear and tear is better. But I love lambskin. Like, I really turned into a lambskin girl. Like, I think I prefer lambskin over Caviar. But I was like, you know what? Like, they don't even make this anymore. Like, I do need to get in Caviar. So that's kind of why I was a little bit conflicted. Like, I was like, should I keep this bag? Should I not keep it? Because, like, I don't know. Like, I like the Caviar because you can't see anything that is durable, and I know I'm not going to be like scared to wear it, especially because it's already pre-loved. So, you know, like, I feel like I should probably get a lot of wear out of this, but I just love the buttery soft lambskin. Like, but yeah. Yeah, let me show y'all the inside. And I just had it like this because I was trying on my birthday dress because I'm gonna wear this for my birthday. This is like my little birthday present to myself. And then it has that silver hardware. It have like all the fashion pops up. Yeah, I just kept it on because like I said, I didn't really know if I wanted to keep it or not. And it says it's like iridescent caviar, but it doesn't look iridescent. It looks just like regular. I don't really see like any iridescent. But yeah, so the inside is all red. And it does come with the authenticity card in the inside. I just left it in here in this little strap. Just right here in this pocket. I just leave it there. And then it does have the zipper, of course. So it's literally just like my mini. It's red and it's caviar. And yeah, like it's all red, which I like. Yeah, I just really like it. As you can see, this one is a lot. It is definitely worn, and I got this at a really good price because of its caviar. Because as you know, like Chanel doesn't make caviar mini rectangular bags anymore, so it's like really hard to get. So most of the time you see one, they are going to be priced way over retail. Like I was looking at some bags, and I was like, oh my god, like they're like about 5,000, 4,500, 6,000, like well over the retail price for a brand new one out the store. So I was like, you know what, like it's just such a good price, but it does have some wear, and that's something I was a little bit concerned about too, was like, you know, like is it really worth it? But it's caviar, you're not really gonna be able to see it, and like, you know, I just feel like overall it's worth it. And I can always take it to like leather surgeons to get, you know, certain things fits. Like it does have like a wrinkle right here, and then when I put the insert in, like because I put on the insert for my other mini in here, and like we really can't see anything like an issue or anything. And most of the time I wear all my bags with inserts. So yeah, it does have like a little bit of a wrinkle right here, and I did see that online. And then it has like the little wrinkle right here. Those are pretty much like the only two things I saw. It does have like a little bit of corner wear, but nothing like crazy, nothing too bad. And then yeah, like it had like a couple scratches, but you can't really see them just because like I feel like it's caviar. And yeah, like overall those are like the two biggest things, like just like a wrinkle right here and then the wrinkle in the back. But I mean, I was like, you know what, like that's okay for me, I can live with that. But yeah, and as y'all can see, like the shape is not the best. Like it's a little bit kind of like a little bit stretched out compared to my other one. But like I said, when you put the insert in, like you can't even tell that it's shaped like this. Like it looks way better. This is the insert that I got. I got this from Joy in Bag from Etsy, and yeah, I'm gonna have to buy another one. But yeah, I just got this. I just put it in because I really like how it keeps its shape, and it keeps your interior of your bag like, you know, all good in good condition. Make sure you don't spill anything or, you know, have any incidents. So I wanted to show you guys how I look with the insert, because it just really makes a difference when you put the insert in. And then this is the 2 mm. So I have two different types of these inserts. I have 2 mm and the 3 mm. So the 3 mm is a lot thicker, so it even like makes the bag really, really, you know, holds its shape a lot better. So this is a 2 mm. But I said I think I'm gonna order the 3 mm for this bag just so it can really, really hold its shape and really, you know, like help with the shaping of the bag. So as you can see, like it helped a lot with the insert, and yeah, like it looks really, really good. I just really, really love the color. Like I really, really wanted like a bright color because most of my bags are black, and I'm really, really trying to get away from black bags. So I was like, oh my god, like this is perfect, such a bright. And like I'm someone that wears all black, which is why I have so many black bags. But you can just wear all black and pop a color, and it'll really like make your outfit look so cute. So yeah, I think it's like great. And it does have the silver hardware, like I said, which is different for me because I am a gold girl, but I really don't mind the silver. And I am going to insert some mod shots for you guys just so you can see like different ways to wear it and how it looks on me. I am 5'2" for reference, and I'm about 105 pounds, so yeah. She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love.
game of patience. She said, what if I die deep? Will you coming after me? Would you share your flowers with me? I told her thinking is I'm wrong. Love will happen when it wants. I know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. 'Cause I want you. I want you. I want you. 'Cause I want you. I want.
Alright, so I figured I would just do like a really quick comparison, just so you can see the difference between the two bags. And I did get this bag double authenticated because, you know, I just buy and pre-love. You always want to make sure that your bag is authentic. So I definitely feel a lot better after I got it authenticated again. Because of course, you know, Fashion File does, and then I got it authenticated again. So like, that feel a lot better. So yeah. And then when I first got it, of course, I compared it to this one and everything matched up. Everything looked, you know, like it was authentic. So that definitely helped a lot too. So yeah. So this is how they look, just right beside each other. This is the back. So as you can see, like they are pretty much the same size, but you can kind of see, you can really notice the shaping of the red a little bit more, especially when you compare the two. And yeah. And then this is the bottom. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like the lambskin better or do you like the caviar? Yeah, like, do y'all see how just the lambskin just looked like, I don't know, it just looked more like luxurious and like more buttery soft. I don't know, but then this one is just way more durable and just kind of like more casual, I feel like. So perfect for like more everyday or like more casual outfits. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this really quick unboxing of my new Chanel mini in Caviar. Let me know if you guys want to see a full-on review comparing my other lambskin bag with this one, or you know, any other type of videos that you guys want to see. Let me know down in the comment section. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel.